owl sitting right here. We had one just fly away from us. And this owl's just sitting here watching us. There's Carla, and there is Denise. Oh my God! We just had an owl fly over our head. There's still an owl sitting here.
You know, I wonder if these are baby owls.
These are immature owls.
Yeah.
Isn't that something? You know, this is a first.
No kidding. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's not afraid of us.
No.
I didn't see that other one.
I didn't.
I'm glad the horses didn't react.
It was down in the ground, I think. Okay, he's going to take off. Yep.
There he goes. There he goes.
Ooh.
Oh, did it land in the tree?
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah. Now that bird is upset at it. Look at that. Pretty cool.
That was very cool. How often do you get to see that? Well, I think I'm just going to film it while we go under it. Get a hold of my horse just in case. There's an owl, a baby owl sitting right there. And we have another one up here. I'm just going to keep filming and hopefully my horse doesn't flip out. Where's the other one? Oh my God, look how, oh, that's the mama.
I was going to say, that looks like the mommy.
We got mama up in the pine tree. Not looking very happy with us. Where is it? There it is. There's Mama Owl. Sorry about this shaky, but I'm on horseback. There. Very cool. And Mama Owl looking right at me. Looking right at me. Oh, son. Oh, son. Hold on, you guys!